I want to introduce you to an incredible tool that has completely changed the way I edit videos. It's called Pictory AI. Imagine a world where video editing becomes a breeze, and you can create stunning videos effortlessly. That's exactly what Pictory AI offers. With Pictory AI, you can say goodbye to the tedious hours spent on editing. This amazing tool uses advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to automatically analyze and enhance your videos. Once you upload your footage, Pictory AI works its magic. It identifies the best moments, applies seamless transitions, and enhances the overall quality of your video. The results are absolutely mind-blowing. Pictory AI turns ordinary footage into professionally edited masterpieces. It's like having a personal video editing assistant at your fingertips. What's truly remarkable is that you don't need any prior editing experience to use Pictory AI. Its intuitive interface guides you through the process, making it accessible to everyone. But it doesn't stop there. Pictory AI offers a range of customization options, allowing you to add your personal touch. You can select from various styles, apply filters, add music, and more. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or simply want to create memorable videos for your loved ones, Pictory AI is a game changer. It saves you time, effort, and delivers exceptional results. I can't recommend Pictory AI enough. It's revolutionizing the way we edit videos, making it accessible and enjoyable for everyone. In comparison to the traditional video editing softwares, Pictory AI offers several distinct advantages that make it a game changer. Advantage number 1, ease of use. Pictory AI's interface is designed with simplicity in mind. You don't need to be an editing expert to navigate and utilize its features. The intuitive layout and straightforward controls make video editing accessible to everyone. Advantage number 2, time efficiency. Gone are the days of spending countless hours on editing. With Pictory AI, the process becomes incredibly efficient. Its advanced algorithms analyze and enhance your footage automatically, saving you valuable time without compromising quality. Advantage number 3, professional quality results. Pictory AI's intelligent algorithms go beyond basic editing. They add seamless transitions, captivating animations, and perfectly timed effects that elevate your videos to a professional level. You can achieve stunning results effortlessly. Advantage number 4, streamlined workflow. Pictory AI streamlines your video editing workflow by offering a wide range of pre-designed templates and customization options. You can choose from various styles, add your own personal touch, and tailor the video to your specific needs, all within one platform. Advantage number 5, accessibility for all. One of the most significant advantages of Pictory AI is its accessibility. Whether you're a social media enthusiast, a small business owner, or someone who simply wants to create memorable videos, Pictory AI welcomes and empowers you with its user-friendly approach. In conclusion, Pictory AI revolutionizes video editing by providing an intuitive, time-efficient, and professional quality solution. Say goodbye to the complexities of traditional software and embrace the simplicity and excellence of Pictory AI. If you are interested, you may visit our website for more information.